Welcome to Bike Update. Today, we have something truly special for you: the 2025 Aprilia Tuono Factory. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, performance, and precision. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this beast stand out. Starting with the design, the Tuono Factory carries the unmistakable DNA of Aprilia's racing heritage. The aggressive front fascia, sharp aerodynamic lines, and premium finishing make it a head-turner. The new LED headlight setup gives it a meaner look while enhancing visibility. And those winglets, not just for show, they provide added stability at high speeds. Moving to the heart of the machine, Aprilia has packed this beast with a 1.099cc V4 engine that delivers an incredible 175 horsepower. The power delivery is razor sharp, and with the updated electronics package, you get seamless throttle response, whether you're on the street or the track. This engine is built to thrill. Let's talk about handling. The Tuono Factory is equipped with Aprilia SmartTech 2.0 semi-active suspension, ensuring precise control and comfort. You can switch between different riding modes, adjusting suspension settings on the go. The lightweight aluminum frame and swing arm provide the perfect balance of rigidity and agility. Braking is top-notch, thanks to Brembo-style EMA calipers and dual 330mm discs at the front. The stopping power is phenomenal, giving you the confidence to push harder, and with cornering ABS, you get maximum safety without compromising performance. Now, let's check out the tech. The 2025 model features a 6-inch TFT display with a user-friendly interface. It comes with Aprilia's advanced electronics suite, including traction control, wheelie control, cruise control, and multiple riding modes. Plus, the up-down quickshifter makes gear changes effortless. And of course, the exhaust note of this V4 sounds absolutely brutal. The deep, throaty roar of the engine is enough to send chills down your spine. Overall, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono Factory is a machine built for those who crave adrenaline, whether it's the track or the open road. This bike guarantees an unmatched riding experience. That's all for today's walk around. If you love superbikes and want to stay updated, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Update. See you in the next video. Ride S.